In addition to credit and debit card processing, WEX FSM gives you the ability to process payments via check and mobile check imaging when you sign up for our integrated check processing. First, let's take a look at taking an ACH payment from the office. Navigate to the desired customer profile using the search bar in the top right. From the customer page, click on the Payments tab. Click on Process Payment and select the invoice your customer wants to pay. As a tip, you can select multiple invoices at a time if your customer wants to pay for multiple services with one check. For today's example, we'll just select one. Confirm or adjust the payment amount, then scroll down to Payment Details. Select New Bank Account and enter the appropriate information. Toggle on Same as Customer if the customer paying is the same as the customer you serviced. Toggle on Store Account if the customer would like to keep their information on file. Stored accounts can be used to make payments in the future. Next, confirm your customer gives you permission to take the payment. Remote is best when the customer is not with you, and face-to-face is best if they are with you. Face-to-face has a customer signature option. Add a memo if you want for historical record, then select Process Payment. This will process the payment through WEX FSM. Now let's take a look at mobile check imaging and ACH processing from the field. Using the mobile app, I've created an invoice, collected the customer's signature, and now it's time to take payment. To begin, select Process Payment. Confirm the total payment amount, then click Next. There are two options for taking a check payment from the field: Capture Check Image and Enter Bank Account. Capture Check Image will allow you to take a picture of the front and back of the check. When finished taking pictures, tap Next. Enter the account type, name of the account holder, determine receipt options, then click Next to process the payment. Enter Bank Account will allow you to accept an ACH payment from the field. Select the account type, then enter your customer's ACH payment information. If your customer wants an emailed receipt, enter their email address. If this customer is not there with you, select Remote Payment. If your customer wants to keep their payment information on file, select Store Account. Add a memo if you want for historical record, then click Next. Confirm the information is correct, then tap Process Payment. This will process the payment through WEX FSM.